Me catch fish. Me trade fish. Me get 3 shiny banana. Then Big Monkey Greg says, "You give me 1 shiny banana." Me say, "Why?" Greg say, "For jungle, for fire, for bear protection." Me confused. Monkey say, "No banana, kick from tribe." Me panic. Me give banana. That's called tax. There's many types of tax, not just one. Income tax. Me climb tree for coconut, or me trade berries. Greg take shiny banana from what me have. If me make lots of shiny bananas, Greg take more. If me make little, maybe Greg leave me alone. Finally, payroll tax. This one's sneaky. When me catch fish for other monkey, Greg already take banana before me even see it. Say it go to help old monkeys and sick ones. This called Social Security and Banana Care. Me hope it's still there when me old. Sales tax. Me go buy sharp stick. Stick cost 10 banana, but seller say, no, 11 banana. That extra banana? Sales tax. Go to jungle for more vines and clean river. Property tax. Me own tree, big tree. Greg say, nice tree. Pay banana every year. That's property tax. Tariff? Me trade with faraway parrot tribe. Bring back shiny feather hat. Greg say, you pay banana for foreign feather. That extra banana? Called tariff. Estate tax. If monkey die and leave many shiny bananas, Greg say, before we bury, give me banana. But only if monkey very rich. Some tax take more from rich monkey. That's called progressive. Some tax, same for all. That's regressive. Greg used bananas for scare big bear, defense, teach little monkeys, education, fix vine bridge, infrastructure, give banana to hungry monkey, social programs, pay old monkeys to nap in peace, retirement. So remember, tax annoying, but no tax, no jungle. Subscribe, or Greg put extra tax on your bananas.